Why so much traffic, man, in this afternoon too? Damn. So as I'm saying that it's a big update on my channel. That's nothing but I'm gonna reveal my face, guys. So hi guys, this is Crossframe also 32 and how are you doing, guys, and welcome back to my channel, guys. And so today's vlog is all about purchasing my new jacket, which is riding jacket. So I'm not gonna tell now. I show that jacket directly to you. So here's my bike. So recently I gave a washing, so this indicator was a little broke, like mainly the rubber was broke, so that indicator was not fixing back at all, but the light is working fine. So yep, so let's talk in the riding, guys. Let's go. So currently I'm heading to Dynamic Riders, which is at Hyderabad, Jackect city, nearby. So which side we have to go? So finding the maps in my phone. Okay, and now it's showing to the right. Why so much traffic, man, in this afternoon too? Damn. Go fast, man. All right, guys. Finally, we are on riding. Finally, we are back on riding. So I have to tell you more, which is about my jacket. So previously I'm using the Yamaha jacket. That was even a good jacket too. So I bought that jacket in the year 2021. That was really flawless jacket, which is Yamaha jacket. So I bought that jacket in the year 2024, which as well as I bought my R15 before in the same year 2021. Here's the entry. So guys, finally reached Dynamic Riders store. So one more thing I have to say that it's a big update on my YouTube channel. That's damn it, man. So we reached Dynamic Riders. So as I'm saying that it's a big update on my channel. That's nothing but I'm gonna reveal my face, guys. So first time revealing my face. So within few minutes I'll be revealing my face, guys. So because the reason is So basically, my parents are saying to show your face. So like that they're saying. So actually, my parents were forcing me to show the face on the YouTube channel. So and you look good, like that they are saying. So in the beginning, I actually refused them. So so finally, and at the last, I accepted their decision to show my face on the YouTube channel. So 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 later on, even I felt to show the face, because to make some natural videos like face movements and smiling moments, so like that, etc. So finally I decided to show the face, face reveal. So let's go to the Dynamic Riders store now. Let's have fun. So guys, I'm here. So this is me. So damn it, man. So first time I'm logging in my camera without mask and without helmet. So feeling excited, man. Damn it, man. So all these vlogs have vlogged with mask and my helmet. So that's the thing, guys. So this is my actual face, and hope you don't unsubscribe my channel. See my face, please. So finally we are here at Dynamic Riders to purchase my jacket and my gloves. So yeah, I'm buying the jacket and my gloves. So I'm gonna reveal the jacket and the gloves within few seconds or minutes. Yep. So guys, we just entered the main store of the jackets, helmets and everything. So finally I'm taking new jacket. I'm gonna reveal that now. Pants and jackets, and everything related to bikes. So guys, finally we are back on riding. So the point is the jacket and the gloves are actually so the jacket and the gloves are unavailable right now, it seems, in the store. So damn it. It's directioner. So as the jacket and the gloves are unavailable in the store at the moment, that was really a disappointing moment, man. And they told that the stock will come, and they told that the stock will arrive in the next month. So till then I have to wait. So before coming I was really excited, and I was really I was like happy, and it was like about to reach dream jacket and trousers. So like that. So that's the thing. So that's it for today, guys. If you like the video, please like button below, and please do like, comment, share, and please don't forget to subscribe my channel for more vlogs like this. If you're new to my channel, please do subscribe my channel for more vlogs like this. And really thank you guys for watching the video. Ride safe and spread love and peace. Thank you.